Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Mail call. Our good friends at Taylor Toolworks have sent another goodie box. Let's see what's in it. Ah, interesting. According to the packing list, this is going to improve my scraper preparation. So in here is a card scraper. And look at that. This is the AccuBurr card scraper, 0.025 inch thick. Comes with a little magnet to go on the scraper to help keep your fingers cool. So we've got a card scraper. We have a little bag. Feels like it has pieces, parts in it. And all of the sharpening films needed to prepare the card scraper. And it comes with the AccuBurr burnisher. So this is the JR1. So according to the packing list, I have included a dual-sided card scraper burnisher, JR1, the AccuBurr card scraper, and the scraper preparation kit. This means I have to learn something. So that's from our good friends at Taylor Toolworks. And we're going to figure this all out. Naturally, I'll have to do a lot of it off camera and then show you what it does. But from what I have seen so far, the preparation kit is used to get your edges straight and square and true and honed to the highest level. Then you take your AccuBurr and run it across, and zingo bingo, you've got your burr. So we have to thank the good people at Taylor Toolworks for sending this, and I will do my best to learn and demonstrate it accordingly and give you my opinion on it. So that's about it for today. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.